mean, we know how this government is handling since past few days, that there are no such safety measurements, and the government is it is on the denial side. It's past few months, it's on the denial side. I mean, at least app used to accept that yes, the pollution is there, and let's find ways to solution.
Hundreds of people, including students from top universities, staged a protest at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, demanding for their right to breathe clean air.
तेरी बारी आई है, तेरी बारी आई है, तेरी बारी आई है. Now, when the regime changed, people had very high hopes with the current regime that they would do something about these issues, because air pollution affects everybody, right? It's not just a BJP person's problem or any political party's problem. It affects everybody. Every breath that we take, it is one step forward towards cancer, one step forward towards arthritis and number of other issues, right? Dementia, children are being born with smokers' lungs, stunted lungs.
आज मैं इस सदन से पूछना चाहती हूं, क्या आज के भारत की हवा मलय अजय शीतलम है? नहीं अध्यक्ष जी, बस संसद से बाहर कदम रखिए, एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. ये चंदन की महक नहीं, ये जहर है जो आपके हमारे फेफड़ों में उतर रहा है. दुनिया के 20 सबसे प्रदूषित शहरों में से 13 भारत में है. दिल्ली की हवा में सांस लेना मानो रोज 20 सिगरेट पीने जैसा हो. भारत हर साल सर्दियों में जहरीली हवा के प्रकोप में घिर जाता है. AQI गंभीर स्तर पर आ जाता है. ठंडी हवा का सपना अब गैस चेंबर, मैम 2 मिनट्स, गैस चेंबर की हकीकत बन चुका है. हम वो देश हैं जहां सरकार प्रकृति पर बने गीत का मान मर्दन तो करती है, पर उसी प्रकृति, जंगल, हवा, पेड़ को बचाने वाले कानूनों को धीरे धीरे खुद ही खत्म कर रही है. I think, in the past many years, every year the pollution levels have become worse. There was not one year which was better than the other, I feel. So, for the past 10-12 years, subsequent governments have failed to tackle the air pollution levels in Delhi, even NCR, or even for that matter, the entirety of North India, because it's not just a Delhi-specific air pollution problem. Now, what happened this time was, we saw that there was a regime change. The Aam Aadmi Party government lost power, and then the BJP came. And now the BJP is at 3 levels, right? It's at center, it's at state, it's in the MCD level as well. So people, voted them to power precisely because there were a lot of governance issues during Aam Aadmi Party's time. And, the allegation was that the central government, through the LG, is not allowing them to work. Now, when the regime changed, people had very high hopes with the current regime that they would do something about these issues. Because, air pollution affects everybody, right? It's not just a BJP person's problem or any political party's problem. It affects everybody. Every breath that we take, it is one step forward towards cancer, one step forward towards arthritis and number of other issues, right? Dementia, children are being born with smokers' lungs, stunted lungs.
During Diwali, one of the biggest Hindu festival in India, a large number of firecrackers were burst in national capital. The Supreme Court controversially allowed only green firecrackers to be burst. But with no way of proper implementing such an order, a large number of firecrackers were burst across the city. the Delhi government did not make any significant effort to curb their use or ensure only green varieties were bus.
The impact of firecrackers burst around Diwali wouldn't stay so long. It settles down within few hours to few days, and that was an activity which happened in which happened in October. So, though green crackers are not a solution, any combustion leads to air pollution. Green crackers themselves, by default, were not supposed to reduce the entirety of pollution. It was only supposed to be reducing 30 to 40% of the emissions, but that also only when the quantum of crackers burnt last year and this year would have stayed same, which didn't happen. This year we had burst more crackers, and the cumulative emissions from firecrackers were so high that this Diwali was one of the most polluted Diwalis over last 10 years, even though it came early in October when the meteorological conditions were better. So there was definitely an impact of the green crackers on the air quality around Diwali days.
देखिए, पॉल्यूशन के स्तर पे आप सब ने डाटा देखे। पिछले जो सरकारों के दौरान दिवाली वाले दिन का जो डाटा था और अगले दिन का डाटा था, हमारे कार्यकाल में वो डाटा कम हुआ है, बढ़ा नहीं है, कतई नहीं बढ़ा है। तो आप ये कहें कि इस बार तो आप कह रहे जी पटाखों की परमिशन भी थी, बाकी चीज़ें भी थी, तो भी वो जो गैप है दिवाली से पहले का और दिवाली के बाद वाले दिन का, वो कम हुआ है। तो पॉल्यूशन उस दृष्टि से पहले से कम है, और सरकार अपने जितने भी काम हैं वो सब कर रही है और करती रहेगी दिल्ली के लिए लगातार। तो ये कुछ नया नहीं है, जो है ये जो चल रहा था उसी पैटर्न पे है, परंतु पहले से कम है। जबकि लोगों ने खूब दीपावली भी मनाई, सारे काम किए, और हम अपनी ओर से अपने कामों को और मुस्तैदी के साथ कर रहे हैं, कोई कमी कहीं पे भी नहीं आने देंगे।
I mean, I came back after, as soon as Diwali finished, I arrived in Delhi, and since I think it's been 20 days, more than 20 days, and I have a constant migraine, and the migraine is raising. I'm not been able to sleep in the night, and though I'm living in a good society, there is a greenery outside. I always think what happens to the people, those who are, living in the different places where there are no trees, I can afford living in this kind of society where I am still struggling to breathe. Working in a good organization where I have air purifiers. Still I am going through so much. I wonder what happened to those people, those who have exposure of 12 to 13 hours outside, how they are surviving through this. That's a really big thing. And so we can think of children. So the private schools can afford air purifiers in their classrooms. But what happens to the government schools and the government educational system? And government is not taking any action regarding it. So that's a very, very, I feel like more than 2.5 lakhs under age of 5 children are exposed to this air, and it's a very, very harmful air. What is going to happen to those children, those who are coming from government schools, and what is going to happen to their lungs, how they are going to struggle to live in the future? That's a big task. Then the children, those who are coming from such areas, such backgrounds. Yeah.
Delhi's air pollution issue became severe as a result with serious health implications for its residents. By now, it has become evident that Delhi government has failed to take effective measures to curb air pollution. Instead of trying to reduce air pollution, the Delhi government appears to be focusing its effort on reduce AQI numbers.
This time, people had high hopes, but what really happened was people saw the visuals of water being sprinkled at AQI stations, right? And it is one thing for the government to not help people, be safe, protect them. It is another thing to fudge those data and do all these sort of use all of these tactics and not even allow people to protect themselves, because if people are not getting proper data, how do you expect them to protect themselves?
यहाँ मैं कोचिंग करता हूँ यहाँ दिल्ली, मतलब करोल बाग। तो मैं 2 साल से दिल्ली में हूँ अभी। तो पिछले साल तो मैं आता था कोचिंग करने, चला जाता था, मैं फरीदाबाद से आता था। लेकिन अब इस साल मैं यहीं पीजी लेकर रह रहा हूँ। तो मैंने ये ऑब्ज़र्व किया कि दिवाली से पहले ठीक ठाक था यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट, बट जैसे ही मैं आया ना घर से दिवाली के बाद, यहाँ बाहर निकलते हैं ना रूम से, तो गला एकदम चोक होने लगता है और बहुत आंखें जलती हैं। तो ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा है यहाँ रहना अभी।
I mean, we know how this government is handling since past few days, that there are no such safety measurements, and the government is it is on the denial side. It's past few months it's on the denial side. I mean, at least app used to accept that yes, the pollution is there, and let's find ways to solution. But this time I think government is not even trying to accept that yes, there is a pollution happening in the city, and instead of solving, I mean, they are putting a lot of efforts and the money, I feel, to hide the pollution, air pollution as well as water pollution. We can see that they are spraying sprinklers around and even on the Yamuna river we can see that they are sprinkling chemicals to hide the chemical smoke. I mean, if you are putting that much effort to hide, we can put that much efforts to solve the problem, I think.
दिल्ली के अंदर पोल्यूशन के हालात एक फेयर स्टेज पर हैं। जो आज का अभी पोल्यूशन है वो 363 है, जो कि सीवियर कैटेगरी में है, और ये पिछले 10 साल से लगातार इसी स्टेज पर रहा है। सबसे पहले मैं मीडिया के बंदों को ये बताना चाहता हूं कि अगर हम आज ही के दिन की बात करें तो पिछले साल 380 था, जो कि आज 363 है। दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी ने ये 10 साल की बीमारी हमें दी है। सबसे बड़ा भद्दा मजाक दिल्ली के साथ ये हो रहा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी दिल्ली को बर्बाद करके, दिल्ली को कूड़े का ढेर बनाकर खुद मूवियां देख रहे हैं। कल अपनी वीडियो डाल रहे हैं कि मैं मूवी देखने आया हूं। दिल्ली से भगौड़े जो दिल्ली के 10 साल राज कर 12 साल राज करने के बाद एक दिन भी विपक्ष के नहीं बैठे और फिर सत्ता के लोभ लालच में चलते पंजाब भाग गए, और उन्हीं की पार्टी दिल्ली के अंदर जो उन्हीं की दी हुई बीमारी है, जो कि पोल्यूशन, वही निरंतर 10 साल तक जिस पे कोई काम नहीं किया, उसी बीमारी के लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। बताइए, जिन लोगों ने बीमारी दी है वो ही बीमारी देने वाले लोग ही प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
So I don't think anybody can deny that there is no pollution in Delhi. That is a fact. Everybody knows it. We can suppress the numbers by few micrograms or whatever, but even the recorded readings after all those efforts are still very high, and I don't think anybody can deny that Delhi is polluted. Now, whether this government has done enough or not, if you look at last 20 years at least, or even 25 years, the first clean air action, or not first, the major big shift towards reducing pollution started in early 2000s when the entire DTC bus fleet was converted to CNG from diesel. We had gains in air quality, but those were soon negated by the increasing number of vehicles and other pollution coming from other sources. So all these governments over last so many years have been from different political parties, and everybody seems to have failed its citizens. When we talk about this year particularly, we have obviously seen certain things which were not done last year. The sprinkling of water is a bad thing. If you suppress the values and don't really reduce the pollution, it gives false sense of achievement or false sense of clean air, and then the sensitive groups will look at those numbers and think that the air quality is slightly better. They will go out to exercise, work out, or whatever, and because the air quality in reality is not clean, they might face asthma attacks, heart attacks, high BP, or other immediate respiratory illnesses. So if we can't clean it, fudging the data or reducing the values is not the way.
Cases of pollution related health problems have increased significantly in the national capital, resulting many people planning temporary stays away from Delhi.
लगातार प्रदूषण से एक्सपोजर की वजह से जो फेफड़े हैं, जो नॉर्मल पीपल के जो फेफड़े होते हैं, वो अक्सर बने होते हैं सिर्फ हवा को छानने के लिए, लेकिन ऐसी बुरी हवा के एक्सपोजर से, प्रोलॉन्ग एक्सपोजर की वजह से जो फेफड़े हैं उनमें इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाता है, जिनकी वजह से प्रोलॉन्ग एक्सपोजर की वजह से COPD जैसी कंडीशंस हो सकती हैं। COPD अलॉन्ग विद उसके साथ ही साथ जो है हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, BP डेवलप हो सकता है और डायबिटीज़ तक भी डेवलप हो सकता है। तो ऐसी कंडीशंस की वजह से जो ओवरऑल एज है, जो दिल्ली NCR में रिसाइडिंग लोग हैं, इनकी एज नॉर्मल से बाकी स्टेट्स, बाकी कंट्रीज़ के कंपैरिजन में यहाँ के लोगों की एज है वो 5-10 साल तक भी कम हो सकती है, और बार बार इन्फेक्शंस की वजह से फेफड़ों की प्रॉब्लम बार बार होती है।
Air pollution is affecting heart health in a very big way. There are more chances of heart attack, increase in the blood pressure, increase in the sugar levels because of the pollution. There are many cases of chronic asthma, chronic COPD, which is decreasing the oxygen supply in the blood, and that is affecting the heart health in a big way. So we have to take care of this pollution aspect in Delhi, and we can take care of this by wearing the mask. Indoor pollution can be treated with the help of air purifiers.
वो लोग जो बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं, जो जा करके आज इंडिया गेट पे प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप आज प्रदूषण कोई आज नहीं है, सालों से प्रदूषण की ये स्थिति है। पिछली सरकार ने क्या किया? तब आप कहां थे प्रदूषण पे? तब आपको धरने प्रदर्शन याद नहीं आए? तब आपने कुछ नहीं किया। 27 साल का बैकलॉग है, 27 महीने तो चाहिए सरकार को काम करने के लिए।
साफ हवा जो दे न सके जो, वो सरकार निकम्मी है। साफ हवा जो दे न सके जो, वो सरकार निकम्मी है। साफ हवा जो दे न सके जो, वो सरकार निकम्मी है। साफ हवा जो दे न सके जो, वो सरकार निकम्मी है। जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद।
पोल्यूशन की प्रोटेस्ट हो रही है, ये सारे
tell you about the implications of this air pollution, the larger implication on the air pollution, especially on the working class population, the labor class population. So what is basically happening is labor class population are the ones who are the most affected due to this air pollution and due to this indifference of the government in order to tackle the air pollution. This is because the people belonging from economically well-off positions, they are still in a position to buy all sorts of equipment in order to tackle this problem of air pollution. They can afford to buy an air purifier, they can afford to stay inside their homes. But those daily wage labor who have to go out on the street, who are having to go out on the street on a daily basis and have to engage in work such as constructions or work related to industrialization, which exposes them more to this danger of air pollution. So they are the most affected person because of this air pollution. And the strangest of this is, they are the biggest vote bank of the government. They are the reason why this government today is in power. Despite that, look at the apathy and indifference of this government. This government is not willing to take any concrete measures, take any decisive step in order to tackle this air pollution.
ये पोस्टर्स के स्लोगन्स को देखिए, सरकार सो रही है, बच्चे खास रहे हैं, स्टैंड अप फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन. क्रिएटिविटी देखिए, एयर इमरजेंसी.
I tweeted saying that people should come out and protest democratically, peacefully, as the constitution allows them as well. And then there were several other people, Bhavreen Kandhari from Warrior Moms, other Delhi civic groups, who also reached out to me and said that we should all get together and think about what we should do. So everybody got together and we then decided that we should hold a protest at India Gate. Because India Gate is a symbol also, right? It's not just a symbol for Delhi, it's a symbol of India. And that was the place where we saw historic protests take place. The 2012 gang rape protests, the farmers' protest also took place. The wrestlers' protest took place, and that is a place where everybody goes and looks up. It could be a normal people just going for picnic or to convey their angst also. So we thought that is the place that we should gather and convey our problems to the regime.
तेरी बारी आई है, तेरी बारी आई है.
आपको सुनाई नहीं आ रहा क्या? पीछे हो जाइए. इसको लेकर भाई पीछे हो जाइए अपने. पीछे हो जाइए, पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाए, पीछे बस कम कर लो. पीछे हो जाए, पीछे. आप करो पीछे हो जाइए. देखिए कैसे बोल रहे हैं.
सर क्या कहेंगे, आपको ठहरने भी नहीं दे रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
ये भाई साहब, ये हिंदुस्तान अब बन गया सीरिया. वेरी सून
कश्मीर बन गया कश्मीर.
वेरी सून दीज पीपल विल रूल अस. हमारी जो डेमोक्रेसी है ना, वो गई भाड़ में. अब ये सीटियां मारेंगे हमको.
आपको बताऊं मैं एक चीज, हमारा जो वेलफेयर स्टेट था ना किसी टाइम पे, अब हम बनते जा रहे हैं पुलिस स्टेट. ये जो पुलिस दुनिया भर की हमारे डंडे लेके घूम रही है ना, पुलिस स्टेट बनते जा रहे हैं. मैं वकील हूँ, लेकिन मुझे भी डर लग रहा है आज इन लोगों से. ये डराने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. सो वी आर एक्चुअली we are not heading towards dictatorship. We are in dictatorship. We are in dictatorship. And all the institutions have been hijacked.
द वायर के और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें. स्वतंत्र पत्रकारिता की आर्थिक मदद करने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर जाएं और अपनी राशि चुनें.